Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The 2026 Freightliner Sprinter continues to set the benchmark for large commercial vans by combining durability, versatility, and modern comfort, making it a top choice for businesses, delivery fleets, camper conversions, and professional transport services. From the outside, the Sprinter maintains its tall, confident stance with a clean and functional design that prioritizes aerodynamics and practicality. The wide sliding side door and tall rear doors make loading and unloading effortless, even for oversized cargo, while multiple body lengths and roof heights allow buyers to choose the perfect configuration for their needs. Its strong chassis and refined suspension are engineered to handle heavy payloads while maintaining stability and control on highways, city streets, and long-distance routes. The overall design reflects Freightliner's focus on efficiency, reliability, and professional performance, making the 2026 Freightliner Sprinter a true workhorse for demanding environments. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 Freightliner Sprinter has been significantly refined to offer a more comfortable and driver-focused experience, especially for those who spend long hours behind the wheel. The driving position is upright and commanding, providing excellent road visibility, while the ergonomically designed seats offer improved cushioning and lumbar support to reduce fatigue on long journeys. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, with all controls placed within easy reach of the driver. A large central infotainment system supports modern connectivity features such as Bluetooth, navigation, smartphone integration, and voice control, allowing drivers to stay connected without distraction. The digital instrument cluster delivers clear driving information, fuel efficiency data, and vehicle alerts, making daily operation more efficient and stress-free. Cabin storage is another strong point of the 2026 Freightliner Sprinter, with multiple overhead compartments, door pockets, cup holders, and dashboard storage spaces designed to keep documents, tools, and personal items organized. For commercial users, the cabin feels like a mobile office, offering practical solutions for paperwork, devices, and daily essentials. Climate control is powerful and evenly distributed throughout the cabin, ensuring comfort in both hot and cold conditions. Sound insulation has also been improved, reducing engine and road noise to create a quieter and more relaxed driving environment, even at highway speeds. Behind the front cabin, the cargo area of the Freightliner Sprinter offers exceptional flexibility, which is why it is so popular for custom conversions. In cargo or camper configurations, the flat floor and tall interior height make it easy to install shelving, workstations, or living features. In camper-style builds, the Sprinter can be transformed into a complete mobile living space, featuring a comfortable sleeping bed, compact kitchen, and seating area. The bed is typically designed to fold or slide, maximizing space during the day while offering a restful sleeping area at night. High-quality insulation and ventilation options ensure proper airflow and temperature control, making overnight stays comfortable in different climates. The kitchen cabin setup in camper-style Sprinter builds usually includes a compact kitchenette with a sink, countertop, portable or inbuilt stove, storage cabinets, and space for a refrigerator.